Okay, here's an antique 1885 J&J Taylor safe from a rail car. I'll show you the way to open it up. Simple. You notice there's a little star and then there's a little line. Okay, first clear it. Just spin it left a bunch of times. Okay, that also locks it. Then the second thing you do is you nice and easy just turn it to the right, lines everything up good. Okay, after about the third or fourth turn, stop it at your combo. Mine is 98. Then you're gonna go left, right past your number to my second number, which is 35. And then your third number, you stop it on that line. So my next number is 23 and 23. Grab the T-handle and open the door. I really don't know why all these other clowns on the internet can't make a video that simple.